We are at a critical moment, with governments around the world taking action and companies canceling travel and cities calling off big public gatherings. Every hour, every day, you can feel the spread of the virus and the spread of the quarantines. The scope of this story, frankly, it's hard to get your arms around. That is a challenge for newsrooms like this one and many others. Right now, we need clear-eyed, no-nonsense news coverage during this crisis. Just consider where we are versus a week ago. This time last Sunday, there were 89 confirmed cases of coronavirus in the United States. Half of those were from the Diamond Princess cruise ship. Now, there are at least 450, according to CNN's count. This count's being updated constantly. And the truth is, no one knows the exact or full number because of testing failures. That's why these kinds of headlines are important to make clear about what's going on. Health officials are sounding alarms because they don't have enough test kits. This story says the flawed rollout of tests has snowballed into an embarrassing fiasco of national proportions. Politico's lead headline, to go to Politico.com right now, it says Trump's mismanagement helped fuel the coronavirus crisis. The Washington Post says Trump administration has squandered time and lost control. But let's just pause on this. We've seen this before.
Years. Among the states hardest hit, Ohio is down 22%. Pennsylvania is down 18%. Wisconsin is down 10%. And we will not quit until we have beaten the opioid epidemic once and for all. Protecting Americans' health also means fighting infectious diseases. We are working with the Chinese government and working closely together on the coronavirus outbreak in China. My administration will take all necessary steps to safeguard our citizens from this threat. We have launched ambitious new initiatives to substantially improve care for Americans with kidney disease, Alzheimer's, and those struggling with mental health. And because Congress was so good as to fund my request, new cures for childhood cancer, and we will eradicate the AIDS epidemic in America by the end of this decade. Race is still shining, and my fellow Americans, the best is yet to come. Thank you, God bless you, and God bless America. Thank you very much.
You should come to Chinatown. Precautions have been taken by our city. We know that there is a concern about tourism traveling all throughout the world, but we think it's very safe to be in Chinatown and hope that others will come. I have confidence in Dr. Fauci at the National Institutes of Health, who has some further confidence in what we're doing. I do have concern that the president's budget cut 19% of the Center for Disease Control. And that's the agency that prevention. Prevention. We want people to be concerned and vigilant. However, we don't want them to be afraid.